Jaiba, and here's my app, FlowLab. So what is FlowLab? FlowLab helps you build AI apps, agents, RAG workflows, and more using just simple drag and drop tools and a workflow design. So this app belongs to the Gradio custom component track. So let me get started. Here's like a simple workflow which is already designed, and let me just clear this. So let me design my own app. So before I start designing my own app, I need to give a name for my app. So my own app one. So as you can see here, there are a lot of components available, and users can just plug and play with all of these components. Let me start with a simple app, maybe image generation. Okay, so my image generation will need a text input. So here I can connect the nodes, and maybe what if I add image captioning to this as well? So if I go with HF vision model and maybe a image captioning model as well. So as you can see here, my workflow has been designed now. I also get parameters where I can adjust the components based on whatever my requirements are. So here as the base prompt, I can set it as astronaut near the sun. So this will work as my base prompt. And now if I say save workflow, I have a workflow JSON created, which will later be used to create the app. So you can also see like instructions and an analysis of the workflow. So moving on to the next step, we have design interface. So this is an optional step. So since I created a custom component, which is a workflow designer, I wanted to also modify this workflow designer into a different app, more of like a Gradio designer, Gradio app designer. So it shows that this workflow component can be used in multiple different ways. So here's the workflow builder app, the custom component, and you can see that there are a lot of components. I can just drag and drop, and also the same app being modified into a Gradio visual designer. So this again drag and drop. So coming back to this app, so I had a text input. Let me put the text input on the left, and then an image. So I can put the image on the right. I can also adjust the size, and then a label maybe saying caption, image caption, and here image prompt input. So this is just a simple design. Feel free to explore. And then now coming to modal. So this app can be deployed to modal directly, and you will be getting a Gradio app. So this will be converting it, whatever we have designed till now, to a Gradio app. This Gradio app will work as your own app. It gives you a link and you can share it as well. So I can customize the modal resources according to my needs. If I'm not sure, I can just click on build and deploy, and the LLM will take care of it for us. So let me click on build and deploy. So depending on the app has been deployed, and we get a link here, I can either copy and paste this link in a new tab, or I can also view it in this iframe over here. So this is again a custom component. So here I enter my Navias API key, a text prompt, and I get the caption. So let me just pause the video. My Navias API key, and I give a prompt, an astronaut near the sun. Okay, so it takes a few seconds for the image to generate. So I've used Modal as my main deployment system, and I've used Claude by Anthropic to generate the Gradio code, and the whole backend is been designed using Llama Index. So this is the whole app. Hope you enjoyed it. Try creating some workflows on your own. Thank you.